Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about tools in the SEO world, SurferSEO. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or someone just starting to explore SEO, this tool has probably caught your attention. In this review, we'll unpack everything that you need to know about SurferSEO, its features, how it works, and whether we think it's worth the investment. By the end of this video, you'll understand what SurferSEO is and how it helps with SEO. So let's go ahead and get started. What is SurferSEO? Well, SurferSEO is a powerful on-page optimization tool designed to help you create, refine, and perfect your content for search engines. While many SEO tools focus on technical audits, backlinks, or just keyword tracking, SurferSEO is laser focused on one crucial aspect: content optimization. Launched in 2017, SurferSEO has quickly gained traction because of its ability to bridge the gap between raw data and actionable content strategies. So SurferSEO analyzes top ranking pages for any keyword and provides insights into what makes those pages successful. Why use SurferSEO? The days of stuffing keywords into articles and hoping for the best are long gone. Modern SEO is about creating content that aligns with search engine algorithms while genuinely helping users. This is where SurferSEO excels. Imagine this: you're writing an article about how to lose weight fast. Without SurferSEO, you might write 1,000 words, sprinkle in some keywords, and hit publish. But what if your competitors are publishing 2,500 word guides? Without realizing it, you're falling short of Google's expectations. SurferSEO eliminates this guesswork. By analyzing the top ranking pages for your keyword, it provides precise recommendations, and the results: content that matches or exceeds Google's standards, giving you a better chance of ranking higher. Digging into the key features of SurferSEO. SurferSEO is packed with features designed to make SEO easier and more effective. So let's dive deeper into what each feature does and how it can transform your content strategy. Keyword research: finding your starting point. At the heart of every successful SEO strategy is keyword research. SurferSEO's keyword research tool makes this process seamless. Instead of guessing which keywords to target, you can discover high-value opportunities in minutes. The tool even highlights long-tail keywords, which are often less competitive and more targeted. So to get to the keyword research tool, once you're logged in to SurferSEO, you come over here and click on the keyword search tool. Then you go ahead and just click on one of your terms or start a brand new one. Content Editor, your SEO writing assistant. So the Content Editor is the crown jewel of SurferSEO. It's like having an SEO expert sitting beside you as you write. Here's how it works. You enter your target keyword into the Content Editor. Then SurferSEO analyzes the top ranking pages for that keyword, provides you with real-time optimization recommendations. And these recommendations include word count. If competitors' articles average 2,000 words, SurferSEO will suggest that your content matches or exceeds this length. Heading structure: it might recommend adding heading 2s and heading 3s for better readability. Keyword usage: it tracks how often you use your target keyword and related terms. Images and media: if competitors use lots of visuals, SurferSEO will prompt you to do the same. The real-time feedback is a game changer. As you write, the tool updates your content score, letting you know how close you are to full optimization. SERP Analyzer, reverse engineering success. Understanding why competitors rank higher than you is crucial. The SERP Analyzer lets you do just that. By analyzing the top ranking pages for your keyword, it provides insights into content length, keyword density, the number of backlinks, and domain authority. Audit Tool, fixing existing content. Do you have an old blog post that's not performing or performing how well you'd like it to? The Audit Tool helps you bring it back to life. Simply enter your URL and target keyword, and SurferSEO generates a detailed report on what's missing or what needs improvement. So by addressing these recommendations, you can boost your content's performance and rankings. So now let's go ahead and just do a quick walkthrough of SurferSEO. So if you click the link down in the description, you can go ahead and get started with SurferSEO. And once you're signed up and logged in, this is what the dashboard looks like. Over here on the left-hand side, you can see all the different tools that SurferSEO has to offer, like the ones that we were talking about earlier. So starting with their Content Editor, this is where you can go ahead and create the most SEO-ready content. So here's an article I was working on earlier. So inside the Content Editor, we have the content that we're creating here in the middle and the guidelines over here on the right-hand side. So as you can see, the content content score for this right now is a 58 out of 100, which isn't great. But what the good thing is that SurferSEO gives us guidelines to get that score up and increase our SEO. So if we take a look down here at the content structure, currently this article is 730 words, and it's saying that it should be between 1,700 and about 2,000 words. It's also saying we're only using 11 headings, and it should be somewhere between 17 and 28 headings. It also says we only have 34 paragraphs, and it should be at least 50, and we have 0 images currently, and it should have at least between 10 and 29. So by making these changes, we can get that content score up and begin ranking on Google. So that's a brief look at the content editor. Now, if we come over here, we can take a look at the keyword research, and this is where you can go ahead and start a new keyword research, or you can go ahead and look at an existing one. Let's go ahead and take a look at this yoga one that we already have selected. And as we can see, just by typing in yoga, we can get all these different keywords here that are going to be relevant to that root keyword. Now from here, we can go ahead and filter based on intent. We can filter based on keywords for like number of words in the keyword, whether that's 1 to 5, 5 to 10, or a custom range. And we can also filter by search volume. So whether we want something with a huge volume or a smaller volume. And then over here on the right, we can also sort by a couple different ways here. We can sort by most relevant, search volume high to low, low to high, and difficulty high to low or low to high. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and pull one of these keywords into the keyword editor, we could do so by clicking on this little button right here, and we go ahead and create for one content editor credit. Now, again, based on which plan you choose, you get X amount of credits per month. Over here on the left-hand side, let's go ahead and take a look at the audit tool. So this is where you can go ahead and type in a URL and a keyword that you want to rank for. Back to that weight loss versus fat loss article I was writing earlier, I went ahead and put in the #1 ranking URL for the keyword that I wanted to rank for. And this is all the information that I got that I can go ahead and use to make my article even better and outrank this article. So as you can see, SurferSEO has a ton of awesome tools to make the best SEO optimized content. Pros and cons of SurferSEO. Every tool has its strengths and weaknesses. So let's explore what makes SurferSEO shine and where it might fall short. Starting with the pros. It has a very user-friendly interface. As you saw, even if you're new to SEO, SurferSEO's dashboard is intuitive and pretty easy to navigate. It gives you data-driven insights. Recommendations are based on what's already working for top-ranking pages, giving you a proven roadmap. Comprehensive features. From keyword research to audit, SurferSEO covers all aspects of content optimization. Time saving. Real-time feedback in the content editor eliminates the need for multiple rounds of edits. Now for the cons, starting with the cost. Now, the pricing might be steep for small businesses or freelancers. Plans start at $99 per month, and advanced features are only available on higher tier plans. Learning curve. While the interface is very user-friendly, understanding how to fully leverage all the features can take some time. How SurferSEO stacks up against competitors. SurferSEO versus Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a powerhouse for backlink analysis and keyword tracking, but it lacks SurferSEO's focus on content optimization. If you're creating content regularly, then SurferSEO is the better choice. SurferSEO versus Semrush. Semrush offers an all-in-one SEO toolkit, including technical audits and PPC data. However, its content optimization features aren't as detailed as SurferSEO's. Use Semrush for broad strategies and SurferSEO for in-depth content creation. SurferSEO versus Moz. Moz excels in keyword research and link analysis, but falls short on content optimization. SurferSEO's intuitive interface and real-time recommendations make it the winner for improving on-page SEO. Final thoughts. Is SurferSEO worth it? SurferSEO is more than just a tool. It's a strategic partner in your SEO journey. Now, the pricing might seem steep, but when you consider the time saved and the results achieved, it's definitely worth the investment. So if you're serious about growing your organic traffic and dominating the search results, SurferSEO is a must-have tool. If you're ready to give it a try, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.